So now we take problems of the linear inequalities. Example, first example, question is solve the inequality graphically. In two-dimensional plane. First one is x minus y less than or equal to 2. So x minus y less than or equal to 2, this is the linear inequality, and we have to solve graphically in two-dimensional plane. Solution. So we know the method is step 1, remove the inequality, take equality. So equality will be x minus y equal to 2. Now this is linear equation in two variable which represents a straight line, and to draw the straight line two distant points are required. So as usual, let us take points of the axis. Point which lies on x axis, its y coordinate will be 0. You put y equal to 0, so x will be 2 from the equation. So 2, 0 is a point of the given line. Now we take x coordinate 0. So in the equation, if we take x 0, then 0 minus y equal to 2. So y will be minus 2. So P 2, 0 and Q 0, minus 2 are two distant points of the given line. Again, we note that it is slack inequality. So there will be a continuous, or you can say that dark line. So now let us draw xy plane. This is x axis, y axis, arbitrary, or you can select randomly. This is point P 2, 0. This is the point, and this is the point Q 0, minus 2. So let us join this point, so we can prepare a line. So this is the line x minus y equal to 2. Now we have to check whether this half of the plane is the solution or this half. So for that purpose, we know method is, let us verify the inequality by the origin. Origin, coordinates of the origin 0, 0. In the inequality, if we put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, 0 less than or equal to 2. So which is true? So its interpretation is solution will contain origin, hence the closed half of the plane of the line containing the point 0, 0 is the solution set. So interpretation is hence the closed half plane of the line containing origin 0, 0 containing the point 0, 0 is the solution set. So now we denote this solution portion in the graph. You can also denote in the notebook by a shaded portion. So this is the solution. Next example. So as usual, inequality will be given. You form the equality. Equality is nothing but linear equation in two variable. So it will represent a straight line. You draw the line and which half, whether upper or lower, that can be checked by taking points not lying on the line. Generally, if line not passing through origin, then we will check the inequality by the coordinates of the origin. Second example. Two x minus 3y greater than 6. Solution. So we know method is first given inequalities 2x minus 3y greater than 6. So first we have to remove the inequality and we will take equality. So 2x minus 3y equal to 6. Now it will represent a straight line. We take y coordinate 0. In the equation you put y equal to 0. So you will get 2x equal to 6 and therefore x will be 3. So one point of the line is P 3, 0. Since y coordinate is 0, that means we have taken point from the x axis. Now we take x coordinate 0. So if you take x coordinate 0, here we take x equal to 0. In the equation 0 minus 3y equal to 6. So y will be minus 2. So y is minus 2. So another point of the line is one is P3, 0 and another point is Q 0, minus 2. 0, minus 2. So P3, 0 and Q 0, minus 2. So again we note that inequality is strict inequality. So there will be a dotted line. x axis, y axis. Now point P 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the point P 3, 0 and Q 0, -2. So this is the point Q 0, -2. Now inequality is, we know it is strict inequality. So there will be a dotted line. Now we note that again we have to verify by inequality by the coordinates of the origin. Inequality is 2x minus 3y greater than 6. If we put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, 0 greater than 6, this is not true, okay, which is false. So coordinates of the origin not satisfying the inequality. So solution part not containing origin. Since coordinates of the origin not satisfying the inequality, so solution portion or solution part will not contain origin. So this will be the, so we have to naturally we have to go on the opposite side. So this is the solution portion. This is the solution portion. So which is false, hence the open half plane not containing the point zero comma 0 represents the solution set of the given inequality. We take next example, minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. So let us discuss solution of this linear inequality graphically in two-dimensional plane. Now we have given minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. Now if we multiply by a negative number, then inequality will change. So same can be written as 3x minus 2y less than or equal to 6. So if we multiplied by negative number, inequality will change. So it is same. Now as usual, we remove the inequality and take equality. So 3x minus 2y equal to 6. Now this is linear equation in two variable. So as usual it will form or it will represent a straight line. We take y coordinate 0. If you put y 0 in the equation, 3x equal to 6, so x equal to 2, so 2 comma 0 point P 2 comma 0 is a point which lies on the given line. Now we take point on y axis. If point lie on y axis, then x coordinate will be 0. Now x coordinate 0, put x equal to 0 in the equation, so minus 2y equal to 6, so y will be minus 3, so y coordinate will be minus 3. So another point of the line, it will be q 0 comma minus 3. So by this equality, it will represent a line passing through point P2 comma 0 and Q 0 comma minus 3. X axis, y axis, 1 2, so this is the point P2 comma 0, another point Q0 comma minus 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. It's arbitrary scale, so Q 0 comma minus 3, and inequality is slack inequality. So as usual, line will be dark line, or you can say that it will be a continuous line. So this is the line obtained by 3x minus 2y equal to 6. Now in the inequality, 3x minus 2y less than or equal to 6, we put coordinates of the origin. Let us verify whether coordinates of the origin satisfy the given inequality or not. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, 0 less than or equal to 6, 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, 0 less than or equal to 6, which is true. And therefore solution portion contain the origin. So interpretation is, hence the closed half plane of the line containing the origin represents the solution. So we denote graphically this one. Solution portion, as we have discussed, contains origin, so it will be the closed half plane of the line containing the origin. And also you can not that line is continuous, or in the other word you can say that line is dark line, since inequality is slack inequality. So there will be a continuous or dark line. Next example. Fourth one, 3y minus 5x less than 30. So let us discuss solution of this inequality. First one, it is strict inequality. So there will be a dotted line. Now three y minus 5x less than 30, we take equality. So 3y minus 5x equal to 30. Now this will represent straight line. As usual, we take point of the axis. If we put y equal to 0, then minus 5x equal to 30. So x will be minus 6. And if we take x coordinate 0, if you put x equal to 0 in the equation, so 3y equal to 30, so y equal to 10. So p minus 6 comma 0 and q 0 comma 10. These are two distant points of the given line. Now this is x axis, y axis. We have to take point p minus 6 comma 0, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the point p minus 6 comma 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and this is random. This is the point q 10 comma 0 comma 10. So now inequality is strict inequality. So we have to plot a dotted line. Now let us verify given inequality by origin. Inequality is 3y minus 5x less than 30. If we put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, 0 minus 3 into 0, 0 minus 5 into 0, 0 less than 30, which is true. So now solution part will contain origin because coordinates of the origin satisfy the given inequality. Hence, open up plane of the line containing the point 0, 0 represents the solution set of the given inequality. Next one, solution portion contains origin again you can observe inequality is strict inequality, so there will be a dotted line. Hence, open up plane of the line containing the point 0, 0 represents the solution set of the given inequality. Fifth one, x greater than -3. Solution. Now, x greater than -3, say you note the difference in two-dimensional plane and same solution in R1 or number line. On number line we know this is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, this side plus infinity, this is minus infinity. We denote this point by P. On the solution side, x greater than or equal to -3, all these values, x greater than minus, so x can take all these values, and we denote solution portion by bold line. So this is the solution in the case of R1 or number line. Inequality is same, x greater than -3, but here we have to give solution in two-dimensional plane. So x equal to, when we remove the inequality, x equal to 3 and x equal to a, as we know it represents a vertical line. So let us draw a vertical line, x equal to this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is the line x equal to -3 passing through point P -3, 0, and x greater than or sorry x greater than minus 3. So in this side you can observe x is always greater than minus 3. So this is the solution. So we can mention that origin here point 0, 0. If we put in the inequality coordinates of origin 0 greater than minus 3 in a xy plane, which is true. So x equal to 3, it is vertical line, and x greater than minus 3, x greater than minus 3. So in all this plane x greater than minus 3. So this is the solution portion. So we can mention this thing. Hence origin satisfies, that means hence the open half plane of the line open half plane of the line containing the point 0, 0 represents the solution set. Of the given equality. Given inequality. For example, we take one more example to get better idea. Y greater than or equal to 2. Now y greater than or equal to 2. If we take equality y equal to 2, so we know y equal to b, it is of the form horizontal line. So this represents horizontal line. So we draw the xy plane this is x axis, y axis. Now inequality is slack inequality, y greater than or equal to 2. It is a slack inequality. So there will be a continuous line passing through point 0, 2. This is origin. So y equal to b means horizontal line. So y equal to 2, horizontal line passing through point 0 comma 2. So this is y equal to 2. Now in the inequality, y greater than or equal to 2, if we put coordinates of the origin 0 comma 0, coordinates of the origin 0 comma 0, if we put y equal to 0, 0 greater than or equal to 2, which is not true, which is not true, that is origin not satisfying the given inequality, so solution portion not containing origin. So this is the solution, y greater than, you cannot go on the side which contains origin, so solution y greater than or equal to 2, so this is the solution portion. Y greater than or equal to 2 in two-dimensional plane. That means in short, all these sides, this portion here, y equal to 2, so y greater than or equal to 2. So this is the solution. So two basic thing, x equal to a represents vertical line for our understanding, x equal to a, it represents vertical line, and y equal to b represents horizontal line. So these 6 examples we have discussed its solution of linear inequality in two-dimensional plane.